Ever felt stuck between a bank account and a hard place? Imagine this: you're abroad, living your best life. Maybe you're finally on that Italian getaway you've been saving for, or perhaps you're on a business trip in bustling New York City. You reach for your wallet, ready to treat yourself to some gelato or a fancy Broadway ticket, only to realize you're staring back at an empty card. Panic starts to set in. How will you access your funds? Thankfully, in today's digital age, there are new financial services available that can be your lifesaver in such situations. One such option is Monese, an online-only bank account that lets you manage your money from your phone. But with convenience comes questions, and a big one for many Monese users is, how much cash can I actually withdraw when I need it? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Monese withdrawals, exploring the limits, fees, and everything else you need to know to stay on top of your finances, no matter where you are in the world. So, grab your phone, settle in, and let's get your Monese withdrawal woes sorted. Breaking down the limits: daily, monthly, and ATM. Monese, like most banks, operates with a system of withdrawal limits. These limits are in place to ensure the security of your account and to manage Monese's own operational costs. Here's a breakdown of the different withdrawal limits you'll encounter. Daily limit: this is the maximum amount you can withdraw from ATMs in a single day. The exact amount for this limit depends on your Monese plan. The basic plan typically has a lower daily limit, while premium plans offer higher withdrawal amounts. Monthly limit: similar to the daily limit, this is the total amount you can withdraw over a 30-day period. Again, the specific amount will vary based on your Monese plan. ATM withdrawal limits: on top of Monese limits, individual ATMs may also have their own withdrawal restrictions. It's always a good idea to check the ATM screen before inserting your card to avoid any surprises. Understanding the fees: Monese versus ATM. Now, let's talk about fees. Withdrawing cash isn't always free, and there are two main players to consider when it comes to Monese withdrawals. Monese fees: depending on your Monese plan, you may be charged a fee for exceeding your free withdrawal allowance. These fees can vary, so be sure to check Monese's website or app for the latest information. ATM fees: many ATMs, especially those overseas, charge their own fees for withdrawals. This is completely independent of any fees charged by Monese. So, it's important to be aware of the ATM's fee structure before you withdraw cash. Here's a pro tip: look for ATMs that are part of a network partnered with Monese. These ATMs often waive their withdrawal fees for Monese users, saving you some extra cash. Planning for peace of mind: how to avoid withdrawal woes. Alright, so we've established that there are limits and fees involved with Monese withdrawals. But fear not, there are ways to avoid any unwanted surprises. Know your limits. Before you travel or anticipate needing a larger cash withdrawal, check your Monese plan's specific limits. This will help you plan your spending accordingly. Consider upgrading your plan. If you find yourself frequently exceeding the withdrawal limits of your current plan, consider upgrading to a plan with higher limits. This can be a wise decision if you travel often or foresee needing larger cash sums. Plan your withdrawals: if you have a big expense coming up that requires cash, plan your withdrawals in advance. This way, you can avoid exceeding your daily limits and potentially incurring fees. Embrace alternatives: remember, you don't always need cash. Monese allows you to make contactless payments with your phone in many stores and restaurants. Additionally, many online transactions can be done directly through the Monese app, eliminating the need for cash altogether. Wrapping up: be a Monese master. By understanding Monese withdrawal limits, fees, and planning your withdrawals strategically, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free financial experience. Remember, Monese is a fantastic tool for managing your money on the go, but a little knowledge goes a long way. So, with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay smart, stay informed, and most importantly, stay in control of your finances.